Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Nick Snacks unboxing. Alright, we got another 5 value packs of 2023 Donruss Baseball. Alright, lots of stuff that you can hit. Look at all that. There's even more when you fold that back. Yeah, just giant checklist. Alright, let's see if we get lucky here. 30 cards per pack, so a total of 150 cards. $7 a pack, so about $35 worth of value packs. Alright, here we go guys. Good luck to me. And good luck to you guys watching something epic get pulled here. Alright, we got Sean Green, Buster Posey, John Smoltz, Bobby Abreu, Ken Griffey Jr., Pudge Rodriguez, Harry Ford, Yuri Perez, Luis Gonzalez, Emerson Hancock, Austin Wells, there's Pete Rose, Lou Brock, Tom Seaver, Ricky Tiedemann. All right, behind Ricky are the parallels and inserts. All right, Larry Walker, Diamond Kings, rated prospect, Grayson Rodriguez, Gordon Graceffo. All right, we got Robin Yount, Diamond Kings, Soderstrom, Rafaela, Lou Brock, Diamond Kings, Jordan Lawler. All right, let's see what we got. All right, Ryan Sandberg, 82 out of 2023, red foil Diamond King. All right, Emerson Hancock, he was a number 6 draft pick. All right, nice little jersey card. All right, always nice to get a hit in a value pack. Yeah, that like Seattle powder blue, baby blue. All right, we got George Brett, Carolina blue foil. And then we should have 3 orange in a row. The orange foils. Nice Ellie De La Cruz. All right. I don't think we've hit Ellie in a little bit. Very cool. Rated prospect. Orange foil. And that's a value pack exclusive. Phil Niekro. Dennis Eckersley. And Mark McGuire. Bomb Squad. Yeah, these look sick. The Bomb Squads, the Mr. 3000s, the Marvel, the Unleashed. Those have like that building blocks design that look really sick in the value packs. So that was an awesome pack. If you paid $7 at the store, even if you know, a young kid who's getting into the hobby picked up a pack for $7, you know, got a relic, got an Ellie parallel. I think kid would be excited, man. That would definitely leave a positive impression on the hobby with something like that. And I'm glad Topps also has made like Series 2 really nice. Series 1 was a watered down disaster, I think, as far as retail. But I'm glad they put some life back into retail. And this is a good set too. Like a young kid would know Ellie De La Cruz, but an Emerson Hancock maybe, or maybe not, but definitely Ellie. And then, you know, Ryan Sandberg, even if he doesn't know, gets to learn about maybe Google up his name, see, you know, how good Ryan Sandberg was in the 80s. So yeah, this is like the perfect set, man, to get you know, a young kid some knowledge on the old school and get some value for their money, even being unlicensed and no active players. All right, value pack number 2. All right, Joe Tinker. Jackson Churio, one of the biggest names in the minors. Gary Carter, and also like these 1990 designs, you know. Little history lesson for the youth as well. Paul Molitor, Trevor Hoffman, Larry Doby, Vladdy Guerrero, Randy Johnson, Tom Seaver, Ricky Tiedemann, Mike Piazza, Dennis Eckersley, Chief Myers. All right, Francisco Alvarez, red hot rookie right now. Colson Montgomery, Drew Jones, very nice. All right, rated prospect, Adel Amador. We got Al Kaline, Diamond Kings, Jason Dominguez, 1990. Rated prospect, Colson Montgomery, Jack Leiter. Diamond Kings, Willie Stargell. Rated prospect, Zach Veen and Bobby Miller. Drew Jones, big name. Andrew Jones' son. All right, parallels. We got Frank Thomas, number to 500. Career 521 home runs. So this is a career stat line. So the Big Hurt. Diamond King season stat line or career stat line. All right, we got Larry Walker, Carolina Blue Diamond King. All right, now the orange foils. We got Chief Myers. Some reading material in the back and stats. You can learn about Chief Myers. Eddie Murray orange, nice color match. All right, we got a Jordan Walker orange foil, very nice. Very popular rookie right now. And Wade Boggs, Mr. 3000. One of the best contact hitters of all time right here. Maybe a top 5 hitter of all time. He was no joke. Yeah, at the time, like the 80s with Tony Gwynn, Wade Boggs, you kind of almost took them for granted, like, you know, how tough it was to get that batting. You know, almost like right now, Luis Reyes every year with that. Well over 300 average. This year he's flirting with 400 halfway through. Yeah, even like what Ohtani's doing, which is insane. Last month he's hit, I think 15 homers in the month. In 1 month. And, his OPS, I think, over 1.0 something, I believe Ohtani has right now. And that's just hitting pitching. He's got like a little over 3 ERA with like a really good record. A lot of strikeouts. Just insane what he's doing right now. Crazy to think, one time people thought he was a fluke, and then he got injured. And then his prices went down a lot. That was the time to buy Ohtani, man. Even now, if you think about it, you know, I don't know which Ohtani cards to buy, but you're definitely going to want to have some Ohtani cards, because I think, just picture 20, 30 years from now what a lot of those are going to be worth. Ohtani's not going to be... They talk about players, generational talent or once-in-a-decade talent. Like Shohei Ohtani, just once in a... more than a lifetime type talent. It's crazy. Thing is now there's so many cards, so many options. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in any of the packs, so maybe there's a nice hit in here. We'll know that that's a good luck sign. All right, here we go. So pack 3, Mariano Rivera. Goose Gossage, the Big Cat. Al Simmons, Carlton Fisk, Nolan Ryan, Willie Stargell, Gary Sheffield, Owen Murphy, Bobby Witt Jr. Yeah, I've been through a lot of Donruss, only retail, but I've been through a lot. And the checklist just keeps going. I don't think I've seen a Bobby Witt Jr. yet. Amador, Nick York. And to think they have Bobby Witt Jr. as a prospect in this, that's... Yeah, Donruss definitely... not being able to use active players, I think they took advantage of when they printed this to get some prospects out that are actually... I mean, Bobby Witt is going to his 2nd year, so... Played like a full year last year. Yeah, that's... I don't know. I wonder if Topps is going to try to sue them or something. Kumar Rocker. Ricky Henderson. Ooh, we got a 7 out of 25 card right there. Ooh, that's going to be cool. Alright, and we saw the this thing. So yeah, that must be a little good luck sign. All right, Brennan Davis, Nolan Ryan, Quinn Priester, Kyle Harrison, George Brett, Big Mac. Yeah, these 1990s, they, if you compare them to the base card, it's like an opposite mirror image. You can see the numbers look messed up there. Name is backwards. Really curious if they did that on purpose. Maybe for that 1990 design, they had to do something different. I don't know. All right, Noel V. Marte, Austin Wells. All right, behind Suzak, we got the parallels and inserts. All right, Independence Day, Carl Yastrzemski. And behind that is that number to 25 card, I believe, right? Let's see. Oh, nice. Henry Willie. Oh, thought that was Henry Davis. 7 out of 25. Henry Williams autograph. Nice. Ooh, and that's an optic card. Very cool. Yeah, Donruss Optics. So that is a chrome card. Is that a scratch or a cardboard? Oh, nice. That came right off. I thought that was a scratch. All right, Henry Williams, I'm not familiar with. I got to look him up. Chosen in the 3rd round of the 2022 draft by San Diego out of Duke. Named the number 22 prospect in the organization by Baseball America by the end of 2022. Helped Blue Devils set a school record for strikeouts per 9 innings during the 2021 campaign. Was captain of the basketball team at Darien High School in Connecticut. All right, so pitcher. I'll take a nice auto to 25 though. Blue Prism. Out of a $7 value pack. And Jackson Churio coming up. Nice Carolina blue color match. All right, now the orange. Chief Myers. Eno Slaughter. Jacob Berry's a nice one. One of the big names in Bowman this year. And Mr. 3000, Pete Rose. Wow, some awesome value here. We still got 2 packs left. Yeah, for the price, you can't beat these, man. $7 for 30 cards. And you get like 5 or 6 parallels. And a whole checklist worth of stuff to try to hit. Like auto to 25. I hope Henry Williams ends up being a, you know, big pitcher. That'll be nice. San Diego always has a good farm. You know, they traded away a lot of it for Juan Soto. All right, pack 4. All right, so that must have been the clue that there's an auto in there. This thing right here. I hope people aren't feeling the packs and stuff. It was only one pack, so not enough of a sample size to make any guarantees or anything. Yeah, just you see packs and blasters, you just, you know, pick them from the back, from the front, but don't be filling up packs or anything. Yeah, that's not good collecting ethics right there. All right, Joe Morgan, David Cohn, Dave Winfield, Torrey Hunter, Juan Gonzalez, Jordan Walker, all right, early win. Joe Morgan. And they got him with the Astros. A lot of sets he's with the Reds, the Big Red Machine. Cade Horton, Heine Gross, Sam Rice, Jim Edmonds, Jackson Chirio, Elijah Green, Grant McCray. Oh, we got a Liberty parallel behind Henry Bolt. All right, 1990 Ichiro. Jason Dominguez rated prospect. Very nice. Masataka Yoshida. I think the first time I've seen him in Donruss. Diamond Kings Dave Winfield, Davison de los Santos, Michael Bush. All right, Johnny Bench. All right, let's see who the Liberty parallel is. Larry Doby. And we got Phil Niekro, Carolina Blue. That matches the old Braves colors. Colson Montgomery. All right, so now 3 orange in a row we'll get. Mike Mussina, that matches the Orioles. All right, rated prospect. Jordan Lawler. It's a nice one. And we got Ken Griffey Jr., Diamond Kings. And Hoyt Wilhelm, Cooperstown. Alright, 1 pack to go. Oh, I had a lot of favorite cards in this one. All right, value pack number 5. Ooh, we got another blank card on the back. Let's see. Is it our good luck charm again? All right, Juan Gonzalez, Jordan Walker again. Early Wynn, Joe Morgan, Ryan Sandberg, Jim Palmer, Ichiro, Mason Wynn, Frank Thomas. See like how its numbers are normal on those. The 1990s are like the mirror image. You can compare them, yeah, like the same player on both of them. It'll have the same picture, just reversed. So righty will be batting lefty. Left-handed pitcher on the 1990, he'd be like throwing. It would look like he's throwing righty. Kevin Parada, Moises Alou, Kyle Manzardo, Termar Johnson, George Brett, Larry Walker, and we have a Liberty, another Liberty. All right, Ichiro. Jason Dominguez, rated prospect. Another Yoshida. Dave Winfield. De Los Santos. Michael Bush. Johnny Bench. Juan Bin Cho. All right, let's see what we got. All right, Gary Sheffield. That's our Liberty parallel. In hobby, these used to be like one per box, one per hobby box. All right, we got Gary Carter, Carolina Blue Foil. That's cool, man. My favorite growing up. I see the number 8 on his wristband there. That was my Little League number every year. Tom Seaver, another Met. That's an orange. We got Bert Blyleven. All right, Ryan Sandberg, orange. And Mariano Rivera, locked and loaded. All right, good. No auto in that pack, so nobody has to go feeling the packs out for... See if it's got that, you know, white thing with the sticker they could feel on it or something. And actually the sticker part was like inward anyway. You couldn't even feel it. Yeah, so that just had nothing to do with how the pack was. So good there's no tell signs or a way for people to cheat with these packs. Alright, we're going to do a recap on these 5 value packs. $35. Let's see what that got us. I also got 10 value packs of Top Series 2. So I'll do the same thing. I'll do like 5 packs at a time. That's a good amount. I did one video where it was only like 2 value packs, but that's all they had left. That's why I did it, but got a nice fresh restock. Alright, so yeah, love the value. Alright, so my favorite cards from the 5 packs here. And the bigger cards from the 5 packs. Alright, so check it out. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So yeah, about $1 a card here. Let's see if you got value. And then you still got all those parallels, Diamond Kings, rated prospects, more base. Alright, Yoshida, Jason Dominguez, Jordan Walker, Drew Jones, Francisco Alvarez, Jackson Chourio, Elijah Green, Jason Dominguez, another Yoshida. Alright, then we got, Jackson Chourio, don't forget about him. I'm sure if you saw any of those in a, you know, dollar box, you'd pick them up for sure. Even a $2, $3 box. All right, we hit Independence Day, Carl Yastrzemski. Liberty, which is rarer than the Independence Days. We got Gary Sheffield and Larry Doby. All right, let's see our best non-numbered foils. Oh, especially that guy. All right, so value pack exclusive, the orange holofoils. All right, Jordan Lawler, Jordan Walker, Ellie De La Cruz. That could be like a $10 card by itself, I would think. Maybe 15. He's been that hot. All right, Jacob Berry. He was like a number 5 pick, I believe, in the draft. Jackson Churio, Carolina Blue Foil. All right, then we got... All right, these beautiful... There was one in each pack, like those... the insert sets that have the building blocks design on them. Check them out. All right, so we got Cooperstown, Hoyt Wilhelm, Mr. 3000, Wade Boggs and Pete Rose, Locked and Loaded, Mariano Rivera, Bomb Squad, Mark McGuire. All right, we got number to 2023, Ryan Sandberg, Red Foil Diamond King. Number to 500, Frank Thomas, career stat line. We got an Emerson Hancock jersey card. And a Optic Chrome Auto rated prospect, Henry Williams. That is a blue prism, number to 25. So yeah, these value packs are just... they're fun, whether you're collecting or trying to get some good value. Can't go wrong. I know a lot of people are into unlicensed product. You know, just like me, they don't care if there's a, you know, Cardinals logo on there or not. You know, can Topps make nicer cards? Sure they can, but Panini can still make very nice cards without using, you know, the team logo on it. It's got the name. You can put the city. It's fine, man. All right. And we also had more orange, Carolina blue. Blaster boxes have like the purple foils and the like light blue Carolina blue. All right, Ryan Sandberg, Burt Blyleven, Tom Seaver, Gary Carter, Mike Messina, Colson Montgomery, Phil Niekro, Eno Slaughter, Chief Myers, Eddie Murray, Chief Myers, Larry Walker, Dennis Eckersley, Phil Niekro, George Brett. That matches the royal color. Yeah, a lot of color matches with those. Diamond Kings, Johnny Bench, Dave Winfield, Ken Griffey Jr., Johnny Bench, Dave Winfield, George Brett, Nolan Ryan, Willie Stargell, Al Kaline, Lou Brock, Robin Yount, Larry Walker. And the other rated prospect cards. Juan Bin Cho, De Los Santos, Michael Bush, De Los Santos, Michael Bush, Susak, Austin Wells, Marte, Brennan Davis, Bobby Miller, Zach Veen, Colson Montgomery, Jack Leiter, Amador, Soderstrom, Rafaela, Grayson Rodriguez, and Gordon Graceffo. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I love Donruss. I think I'll go back for some more value packs if they have. Alright, thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you guys soon. Please like the video and, you know, share the channel if you can. I would appreciate that, trying to get in the algorithm so... you know, people start to watch all the new content. You know, I have other content that I will make as well as box openings and under the live videos, you know, you got the breaks, and every 2 weeks I've been doing monster giveaways. So yeah, bring some people over to the channel and get them involved in those giveaways. Free to enter. Especially if you know somebody with a smaller budget that wants to, you know, they can get involved in the hobby without, you know, spending a lot, you know, without spending anything. They could just wait for the entry video of the giveaway, and then all they have to do is, you know, write something in the comments section. Like Nick Snacks giveaways number 4 is coming up next, so just gonna have you put the number 4 in the comment section. You have to get it in there by the following Sunday, so you have a week to enter. So I dropped the entry video. You have to put a 4 in the comments section within 7 days by 9 o'clock p.m. that Sunday. And then 2 hours later at 11 o'clock p.m. on Sunday night, I go live and I give away 20 prizes. Hobby boxes, cards, autos, huge box of supplies, like $100 worth of supplies. Memorabilia, you know, we've been giving away signed Mike Tyson boxing gloves, signed George Foreman boxing glove. Somebody won a Tony Perez signed baseball. We've given away 2 Wander Franco autographs already, a Pete Alonso auto, a Greg Maddux cut autograph booklet. That was numbered to like 3. Joey Votto auto, Manny Machado auto, just a whole bunch of stuff. What else? Even other sports too, basketball and football. We gave away 2 CJ Stroud autos, numbered to like 3. So the giveaways are good. You know, and I'll show a few of the prizes like on the giveaway entry video. And then the night that I go live for it, I show you the rest of them. If you want to see what they're like, just go to the live video section here and look at Nick Snacks giveaways number 1, number 2, and or number 3. All you have to do is watch number 1, and then you'll know that they're good, you know. And you can watch number 2 and 3 just to see... Yeah, no, nothing like it in the hobby. So yeah, definitely, get young kids involved too. Just if they're under 18, when they win, they have to. Everybody who wins a prize, they have to claim it by emailing me. I have in the description, you know, the email address, and you have to tell me your YouTube name that you want it under, and the address you want me to send. You know, name and address you want me to send the prize to. But under 18, you gotta have, you know, parent or guardian email me. Just let me know. Even though it's free, I still have to get permission to send it over. And I'm sure, you know, anybody's parent or guardian would not mind, you know, a free giveaway getting sent to the house. But yeah, that's all they got to do. So yeah, like the giveaways are a really fun way. You know, it's a really fun time. Like the whole live random that we do, I go through all 20 prizes. You know, I might show 3 or 4 prizes on the entry video. I'll put like pictures on the video and stuff of them. But then the night I go live to do the giveaways, you get to see the other 17. So I unveil them one by one. We number them all. And then everybody who entered their names in the randomizer, random.org. We roll a dice. We randomize the list that many times, and then the top 20 names win. So as we're going through all the prizes, I'm numbering all of them, you know, from 1 to 20. That way, the top name wins prize 1, the 20th name wins prize 20, and everything in between. All right, thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you soon. I'll either see you at the next giveaway, or I'll see you at a break. I am doing 8 breaks this weekend on eBay. Topps Finest, Topps Series 2, Topps Heritage. So you could find those on eBay. Nick Snacks Case Breaks is the eBay store if you're looking for it. All right, thank you, everyone.